Good morning everyone. Children, I am going to tell another one story. The name of today's story is A Farmer and His Five Sons. A farmer had 5 sons. They were strong and hardworking, but they always quarreled with one another. The farmer wanted his son to stop quarreling and fighting. He wanted them to live in peace. Plain words of advice or scolding did not have much effect on these young people. The man always thought what to do to keep his son united. One day he found an answer to the problem. So he called all his sons together. He showed them a bundle of sticks and said, I want any of you to break these sticks without separating them from the bundle. Each of the 5 sons tried one by one. They used their full strength and skill, but none of them could break the stick. Then the old man separated the sticks and gave each of them just a single stick to break. They broke the sticks easily. The farmer said, a single stick by itself is weak. It is strong as long as it is tied up in a bundle. Likewise, you will be strong if you are united. We will be weak if you are divided. So, moral of the story, unity is